Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Just want to share something. So I just want to show you guys first what the issue is. Um, so this is what happens. The agent terminated due to error. I tried the MCP stuff I found on Reddit. Those didn't work. So I did find a solution for it. So um, what you need to do is it's quite simple, honestly. So just letting you guys know, the reset onboarding in the command palette, it doesn't work in the Antigravity 2.0. I don't know why. So you just close it and oh shit, okay, you just close it, press Ctrl R, just type AppData followed by percentage in both ends, just and press OK. It's gonna take you to the this your user in your roaming, and you're gonna see a folder Antigravity. All you have to do is delete this folder, just delete the folder itself. Let me refresh that. Okay, the folder is completely deleted. So now you're not done yet, there's still some more. Just click on your user and there's gonna be all this. You're gonna see that there's another one here called antigravity. What you need to do is you need to delete this one too. Okay, so there's a lot of cache files inside, like most likely the config files. So now both those are deleted. Just close close that. We'll try to open the anti-gravity again, and hopefully that will fix it, and like it will most likely um, you know reset everything, all the corrupted configurations. So we should be good, I guess. Let's see. Okay, it did not fix it. Just letting you guys know that did not fix it, because I don't see any fresh onboarding page. That is weird. So at least let's try to give it a shot. Okay, that worked. That actually worked. Surprising. I thought that didn't work. Well, there it is, guys. That is how you fix the whatever that issue was. I don't even remember. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.